Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a favorites video. I used to do these videos monthly for like years. I'm gonna start doing them again, not monthly because I feel like that's a little, I just don't have time to do them monthly. But I will do these like every couple of months and show you guys things that I've been loving, products that I've been loving. I will have all of these products linked in the description box if you want to purchase them. Some of them, like this first item, might be out of stock, so just beware. And the first item I'm going to talk about, it's a Lululemon belt bag. If you guys watch my whatnot, you know I'm the queen of belt bags. I am. This is one of my belt bags. This is the one that I use the most. It's just black. It's called the Wordmark belt bag, aka fanny pack. You know, I grew up in the 80s, 90s. These were called fanny packs. I do carry around a bigger purse, but I always take this with me. You know, if I want to run into a store real quick, I don't want to carry a huge ass purse. So when we go thrifting, I don't want to carry a huge ass purse. Like, this is so perfect. You just put it on, you know, it's not too big. It'll hold a decent amount. I have a variety of colors. So yeah, if you cannot get one from Lululemon, come to my whatnot because I always have belt bags. I've talked about this in a previous favorites video. I know it's my Verb Ghost Oil. I actually have this in two different forms. I have it in the actual oil and then I have it in the dry oil. The stuff smells so good and it leaves my hair feeling so soft and shiny. I'm literally obsessed with this stuff. So usually I use this on wet hair and then I'll use the dry oil on dry hair. So if you guys have not tried this stuff, I highly recommend it. It is amazing. And I also have the hairspray, the Ghost hairspray. So I don't use hairspray too often, but when I do, I use this stuff. I'm very picky with hairspray. I don't like that hairspray scent, you know, like the alcohol. I don't like that scent. This obviously is gonna have a little bit of that, but it does have the same scent as the oil. I think this gives like a medium hold. I don't like crunchy hair. I usually use this when I do curls. I don't like crunchy hair. I like my hair to be, you know, in place, but still like not crunchy. And this does not give me crunchy hair. Another hair product, this is so random. So I got this back in, it was either like August, no, yeah, it was probably August, when we were going back to school shopping for my oldest. Guys, my oldest is in high school. He's a senior. He's going to graduate this year. It's this year now. He's going to graduate in, what the hell, 5 months. Like, oh my gosh, holy shit, holy shit. We were in Hollister and I saw this randomly. It's the Hollister Vibes. I just bit my tongue. Did you guys see that? The Hollister Vibes Hair and Body Mist in Dewy Violet and Apple Blossom. It smells so good. So yeah, it's a hair mist. It's like a hair perfume. I've owned a couple of hair perfumes before. I owned one by, what the hell's her name? Jessie Decker? Jessie James? Jessie Lee? What the Eric Decker's wife. Eric Decker's wife. What's her name? Why did I forget her name? Jessie, right? What the hell's her name? I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. But she came out with a random hair perfume line. I think hers was around like $20 or $25. This is $8.95. Oh no, $7.95. But I know I got this for like half off. I didn't pay much for it at all. And yeah, I don't know. I just really like it. I feel like it's so random, but it smells so good. Some nail polishes that I have been loving. These are really great, like fall winter colors. They're both by OPI. First one is 999 OK Fine. This was from a collection like years ago, I want to say, because I do remember talking about this in a favorites video, like literally years ago. It's a really pretty, just dark green color. There it is. And this color, this has been a favorite for like 15 years. This was really popular on YouTube, like back in like 2010. It's by OPI and it is Linkin Park After Dark. If you just look at it, it looks like I'm wearing a black sweatshirt. It looks like a black color, but it's not. It's really deep purple. Like, you gotta actually like look at it up close to see. Like, it looks like black, but it's not. Another favorite is this moisturizer from Tarte. This is the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. In the winter time, my skin gets super dry and the stuff is amazing. I like to use my L'Oreal collagen filter in the winter time just because that's like a really, really thick and like moisturizer. I feel like it's too much in the summertime. The wintertime, my skin is like, yes, give it to me. But I got this recently, I think like 2 months ago. This was in a BoxyCharm. They sent me a box full of like all Tarte stuff. I actually have the palette that was in that box too. The Sunrise palette, so pretty. Those colors are so pretty. This is a really, really nice gel moisturizer and it has a good scent to it. I'm really picky. You guys hear my dog? I'm really picky about stuff that goes on my face. My dog knows. She knows. She's telling you guys. I don't want to have like stuff on my face that smells like too strong, but this doesn't. It has a really, really nice scent. Oh, this lotion, I randomly got this, I think at like Walmart. It's the Jergens Skin Smoothie. A tropical treat, a refreshing drink for your skin. This stuff smells so good. It literally smells like a tropical drink that I want to drink, and I'm actually gonna put it on my hands right now. Do you guys take your rings off when you put lotion on your hands? I do. I take my rings off when I do a lot of things, like when I wash my hands, when I put lotion on my hands, when I shower. I don't know. I feel like I'm in the minority when I do that. I take my rings off often, because I don't want like lotion getting up all in the rings, you know, and I clean my rings often too. Oh my God. Okay, this stuff I've also been using for years. This is the Evian facial spray. I use this more often in the summertime. It's literally just Evian water in a bottle. It's like so fancy. Like, what? Do you really need that? It's like, yeah, I do. I need it. But I also use it, you know, in the colder months when I need to be refreshed, when I'm just like, I just need to be refreshed. Or, you know, when somebody online pisses me off and I want to reply, I'll just be like, psst, you know, and it's like setting it on my face and I'm like, is this person worth your time? Is this person worthy of your attention? And 99% of the time the answer is no. So, but yeah, it's literally just water. It's just water. It says use daily all year round. Evian facial spray hydrates your skin, helps fix your makeup, freshens and purifies. So I don't use this. Is this saying this can be used as a setting spray? Because I don't use it for that. Not at all. I like literally just use it to refresh my face. I don't notice that it does anything for my makeup. Got some lip colors. First is the color that I have on my lips right now. This is from Tarte. This was in the Tarte BoxyCharm that I got, I want to say like 2 months ago. It's the Maracuja Juicy Lip in the color Rose. Oh my gosh, it's so moisturizing. I have it on my lips right now so you can totally see what it looks like, but it comes in a little tubey tube like this. My only complaint is that I don't have many colors. I think they have like 5 colors and I have 2. I don't know where the other one is. But I love this. It's so moisturizing and the pigment is great too. But my big thing is that it's gotta be moisturizing. If it's on my lips, it's gotta be moisturizing. I don't like anything sticky on my lips. I don't like anything matte on my lips. It's gotta be moisturizing. My lips gotta shine. Another lip color that I love is the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. This is in the color Fussy, I think. Yeah, Fussy. This is the Gloss Bomb. This smells so good and it is so pretty. I'm not going to swatch it on my hand because I just put lotion on my hand and I'm going to have to, you know, take it off. But you guys can see, oh, it smells so good. Someone's knocking on my door. But yeah, this is the color. It's so pretty. I don't really go crazy with like lip colors, partly because of my hair color. I feel like I can't do like a red lip because that'll totally clash. So I prefer more like nude colors, more, what baby? I prefer more of the Your Lips But Better color. This color is so pretty. My last current favorite is this palette from Wander Beauty. I got this in my most recent BoxyCharm box, but it is so beautiful. My favorite colors are Sweet Dreams, On Holiday, Carry On, Frequent Flyer. They're just beautiful. Like, look at those colors. They're so pretty. So I honestly could add a million more things in this video, but that's it for now. Those are just some of my favorites that I've been loving for a little while now. Again, I will try to link everything down below. I think I'll be able to, again, just not the Lululemon belt bag because they sell out like literally within minutes. It's crazy. But yeah, if you want one, come to one of my Whatnot shows because I always have plenty. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.